Says.
We'll have blue skies this afternoon. I was just checking our sunrise times. Our sunrise is in about 12 minutes here in Northeast Ohio. Gets earlier. We're gaining about 2.5 minutes every single day. And the time change, which I know we lose sleep on this next one, but the time change, which yields our 7:30 sunsets, is less than a month away now. We are getting there in Northeast Ohio slowly but surely. 35 degrees today. We've got a wind out of the north. 35 degrees this morning. Today's it's going to get a little warmer than that, but that wind out of the north is making a little bite to the air mass outside as we've got a big change since our 65 degrees the other day. We're back into the 30s here today. And combine that with the wind, which continues to blow off of the lake, and we've got wind chill values in the 20s. Keep in mind when we have a wind off the lake this time of year, it does produce that lake cooling. So temperatures this afternoon will likely hold in the low or the upper 30s near the lake shore. Meanwhile, we're in the low 40s as you get inland. In terms of the big picture, there's a lot going on the weather map right now. There's a lot of clouds over us right now. There's an area of low pressure down to our south. That one's going to escape us, but this one will not. This one down towards Texas will head up towards the Ohio Valley tomorrow night into Tuesday. And with cold air in place, we're talking some snowfall chances. But in the near term for your Super Bowl Sunday, as this system heads outbound, we're going to go from clouds back to some sunshine this afternoon. Should be a pretty delightful day. No weather problems whatsoever. And as I mentioned, temperatures not too bad either. So your National Design Mart hour-by-hour forecasts. Notice by noon, we're in the 40s down towards the south. Still cooler near the lakeshore. The clouds are getting out of here. This is 6 o'clock as you're heading to your destination or perhaps opening your doors for people to come on in for that Super Bowl. We're going to be in the 30s lakeshore, 40s still inland, mainly clear skies. Tonight we'll start to dance with some clouds again, and tomorrow we'll have a mix of clouds and sunshine. It will be a quiet Monday. Temperatures tomorrow very similar to today, except maybe a little bit warmer down towards the south. I've got us in the mid 40s as you get away from the lake. Clouds will increase late in the day. That increase in clouds is out ahead of that storm system. You notice our model not painting a lot of snow on this, has it kind of zipping through without much of a problem whatsoever. But the problem with this is the models don't agree on how this system evolves still. The Euro brings maybe an inch or so of snow to our southern communities, but the GFS model brings a lot of wet snow to our southern communities. So is this going to be a big deal or not? Well, unfortunately, we're going to have to wait and see on it. So here's the evolution of it. It all depends on not just the strength of this low, but how far north it goes. This is the Euro model run, which brings a pretty decent area of snow Monday night into Tuesday, south of 76. So our southern counties, Dover, New Philly, down towards Carrollton, Millersburg, you may get some wet snow from this. Some of the models, though, bring it just south of that. So it really matters within a 20-mile track of how far north this low goes. We should have a really good idea on this afternoon and evening's model run. So Anthony will have that for you coming up at 6 o'clock tonight. But overall, that system will be out of here before we know it. And then we're ushering in just a series of smaller storm systems this week. One particular to go by on Thursday and Friday with maybe some rain and snow. And then we start to talk a little bit of a different pattern next week. We could bring us some bigger storm systems. Either way, the return to second winter is here. Union Home Mortgage 7-day forecast. There's your 30s Monday into Tuesday. And then on into Wednesday for Valentine's Day. It looks cold as well. And then rain changing over to some snow Thursday, Friday. But overall, no big storm systems. We'll have to keep an eye on that Monday night, Tuesday one, Danielle.
Okay, thank you so much, Matt.